Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The Cloaked Voyager set is a limited cosmetic bundle obtainable through in-game events and crate mechanics. In Bgmi seasonal drops, the set often appears as an event reward or in themed crates that run for a short window. You must track the event duration and complete missions within 7 days to unlock the set. Some pieces may require UC purchases or redemption codes during the event window. Monitor official announcements and event tabs daily. Save at least 150 UC as a baseline and prioritize event missions to earn tokens or vouchers. Start by opening the event page and noting the mission list. Complete daily event missions and accumulate 30 event tokens each day to trade for parts. Collect login rewards, finish time-limited challenges, and save redeemable coupons. Open themed crates, aiming for 3 to 5 pulls if you have 300 to 500 UC available, balancing luck versus guaranteed token rewards. Redeem any event vouchers immediately and check the in-game mailbox for code drops. If a direct purchase appears, evaluate cost per piece versus probability in crates before spending. Prioritize missions with token rewards and focus 20 minutes daily to complete them consistently. Track cumulative progress bars and trade tokens as soon as a full piece is affordable to avoid missing limited slots. Watch official Bgmi social channels for codes that can give 1 to 3 free parts or vouchers, and join community events for bonus drops. Use the in-game Redeem Center within 48 hours of receiving codes to avoid expiration. If you must spend UC, compare the price of direct bundles versus expected crate pulls and plan for a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.